Hello and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be talking about how to generate affiliate sales with no website and no money. So if you want to start affiliate marketing, but you're worried about the cost of the things like the domain, the autoresponder, the hosting, all of that kind of stuff, well, I want to show you that you can actually get started for free. I'm going to be straight with you from the start. Eventually, you're going to need to invest some money in your business. But in the beginning, you don't need to spend anything at all. Now, I know this because this is exactly how I started out. And let me show you now. So let's look at the honest truth about free. So most people teaching this kind of thing will tell you that you need money and resources. Well, that's not entirely true. And I'd rather be honest with you. What I'm saying is that you can start for free, build some momentum, get your first sales, and then reinvest those earnings into your business properly. And that's exactly what I did. Okay, so let's now look at some of these free platforms. So the first one I'm going to look at is a site called Medium, and you'll find that at medium.com. And this is a site where you can publish articles, and you can use those articles to promote your affiliate products or your service or whatever it is you're trying to make sales from. Now, Medium is a site I'd recommend. It's a good site to start with. I've published articles on here and generated real affiliate sales from it. And the platform already gets huge amounts of traffic, so you're essentially borrowing their audience while you build your own. So, what I'd like to point out about sites like Medium is that this is really important as well. These platforms are not yours. So, I've seen people lose everything overnight because a platform changes its rules or they shut their account down. So you need to treat these platforms as a starting point, not your finish line. And the goal here is to make sales, obviously, but reinvest and eventually own your own corner of the internet. So if you want to get affiliate links and promote products, there are different places you can go. So one of the most popular ones is called ClickBank. And ClickBank is a site which has a lot of affiliate products in a lot of different niches that you can promote. So we've got something called the Marketplace, and you can see here they've got things like health and fitness, e-business, spirituality, self-help, a lot of different niches here. So, for example, if you were in the e-business niche, if I click on that, we can see there's a load of products here that you can promote. On these kind of sites, I would stick to programs that are free to join and avoid anything that asks you to pay a monthly subscription just to promote their products, especially when you're starting out with no budget. So, on here, for example, there are thousands of products that you can promote for free. And if you find one you'd like to promote, this one is quite popular, you just click on this Get Affiliate Link button. So that's ClickBank. You've also got a site called Warrior Plus. This is very similar to ClickBank. It's got a lot of products here you can promote, mainly in things like the Make Money Online niche. But you've got sort of AI products here and things like that as well. Now, sometimes it is worth actually buying the product if you can afford it, because then you can test it out and you can write about it a lot easier than if you haven't got the product. But even with the sales page, you can pick up a lot of ideas from that sometimes and create articles and things based on the sales page and what they say on there. So when you want to promote a product, you just click on this request button here. So let's look at some of the free platforms that you can use. So we've already covered Medium. There's also Facebook. This is a very popular site. You can make your posts on this site. You can also join different groups. For example, if you're in the yoga niche, you could join yoga groups. So if we typed in here, yoga, you can see a lot of yoga groups are coming up. So you could join some of these groups, go in there and start posting. But I wouldn't just go and drop your affiliate link. What I would do is I would go in there and add some value, look at some of the questions, provide answers, and then after you've been using it for some time, then just suggest a product in there. But again, try and cloak your affiliate link in some way. Use Bitly or Pretty Links to just make it not look like a affiliate link. So that's another way. That's another site that you can use. Facebook has a lot of marketing potential, but you've got to be careful on there. So X has a lot of potential for advertising as well. It's completely free to use. There's a lot of different people you can search for in your niche. And, I think this is a good site to use. It's one that I don't use a great deal, I have to say, but a lot of people do have success with it as well. So when you're starting out, free sites like this to actually post on and add your links in, they're very good. So that's another one to look at, X, and you find that at x.com. And we've also got good old YouTube. Now this site, obviously you're going to have to create videos and upload them, but there's a lot of potential here depending on what niche you're in. You can get a lot of subscribers and traffic as well. So I would recommend YouTube, definitely. It's a site that I use a lot, and it has served me very well over the years. And I love creating videos. Not everybody likes creating videos, but it's something I love doing. And you can create long form videos or something they call shorts. So here's a plan for you. Set up a free Medium account and join 2 or 3 affiliate programs that are free to sign up for. And then start writing helpful articles with your affiliate links embedded. And remember to disclose that they are affiliate links and don't overdo it. So if you add 1 or 2 links per article, that's plenty. And then just use YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, or X as it's now called, to drive people back to those articles. And that really is it. That's it. So the strategy is quite simple. That is the whole system. Use all of these platforms to point traffic toward one central hub. For me, that's Medium. So think of it like all roads lead to Rome. Your tweets, your YouTube videos, your Facebook posts, they all point back to your articles where the affiliate links live. And that's how you build a system out of free traffic. Now, I have to be real with you. This is not a get-rich-quick system. So give yourself 6 to 12 months of consistent effort before you expect to see serious results. Because free traffic is slow traffic, but it's also traffic that keeps working for you long after you've created that content. So I still get sales from articles and videos that I've created a long time ago. The work you do today keeps paying you down the line, and that's what makes it worth it. So I'd like to know which platform you intend to start with first. Well, that's it for today's video. Keep a lookout for further videos from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.